Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. 4444 equal to 4000 plus blank plus 4. What is the missing number? Now we have to find this missing number here. So let's see, we are given 4000 plus 4 plus this number we have to find. This is given as equal to 4444. So let's add given two numbers first. So this addition can be written as 4004 plus blank plus blank equal to 4444. Now we can either predict the number which will come over here, or we can subtract this from this. So let's subtract first. Let's see. 4444 minus 4004 will be 4 minus 4 is 0, 440. So we get the required number to be 440. Now we can also predict the answer here. Let's see. How do we add? We add from corresponding places. So the unit ones place of this required number, see 4 plus something has to be 4. So there will be 0 over here. 0 plus something has to be 4. So there will be 4 here. 0 plus 4 has to be 4. So there will be again a 4 over here. And 4 plus something has to be 4. So there will be a 0 here. So what do we get? In both cases we get required number is equal to 440. So answer is option A.